Iridium turns out not to be the only thing found within the sediments at the Cretaceous-Tertiary boundary that suggests that something catastrophic happened. These are tiny glass beads called spherulites that are also found in abundance at the Cretaceous-Tertiary boundary. Spherulites have long been associated with meteorite or meteors entering the Earth's atmosphere. In fact, many spherulites have been collected from the surface of ice or from ice in polar regions where it lands on the ice and solidifies if it isn't already solid. This is a thin section photomicrograph in doubly polarized light of what one of these spherulites look like. This is about 1 millimeter or so across, and these are exceedingly small. If you look at this, you see large crystals in the middle, and then you see very small crystals in a rim around the outside. Now remember that crystal size, all of the things being the same, crystal size is going to relate to the rate of crystallization, isn't it? So the suggestion here is that these formed relatively slowly, whereas the rind around the outside was chilled relatively quickly. These clearly come from a molten origin. And the idea is that these are molten rock materials. They could be produced by a volcanic eruption, but they could also be produced by the extreme heat that goes with the meteorite impact, melting the rock of both of the meteorite and of the country rock around it, throwing those droplets as liquid into the air, where the outer surface would be chilled by the air and the inner portion would be able to crystallize slightly slower, giving you larger crystals. These spherulites are very abundant in many of the Cretaceous-Tertiary boundary sites. Not all of them. We find them in great abundance with the iridium anomalies that are developed.